Hey guys, so I got this product to review because I am so tired of keeping my batteries stored like this, where we just have tons of batteries, they're all in their packages, they're all thrown around. There's no real semblance of kind of what's going on. So this does a great job of keeping everything together and contained, which is perfect for when we go camping or if there's an emergency here, because there are a lot of hurricanes in the area that we live in. Inside the box, we've got the storage case itself. And this is exactly what we need here. So with this case, you can put batteries on the bottom side here of all variety of shapes, from AAAs to AA's to square batteries. And they're all labeled specifically in here, so that way you know which one is which. And then on the opposite side, we have more battery storage. And it even comes with a battery tester, which is great because a lot of the times these batteries just sit here for so long and we don't know how much life is left with them. So let's crack this open. So this is great. This is really easy to use. You'll just slide your battery right in here and it will tell you how much battery life is left within it. This case itself is waterproof, so it's great, once again, in case of emergencies where there may be storms or whatnot, or even if you're going camping and, you know, your bag falls in the water. So this would be a great option for you. You can see right here how many batteries. It could hold 8 type D, 8 for the C's, 8 9-volt, and so forth. And it shows you on the back side too how many batteries it will hold as well. Now I'm kind of interested about this tester because we've had these batteries in this bag for a while. So we'll just put this in here, positive side going up, negative side on the bottom. Good. All right, these batteries are still good. So, all right, so let's put these batteries in here. And even on the bottom side, you've got spots for these flat batteries. Perfect. This is great. So now we've got all of our batteries in our house contained. We'll be able to take this, go out on trips. We'll be able to know where the batteries are when there is an emergency, when there are hurricanes down here. This will make it a lot easier and safer for us. So I would definitely recommend checking this out.